Hello everyone and welcome back to Rafi Memorial English School online classes. Today we will do a basic chapter, a revision of all four basic chapters we have gone through. And let me explain you that we have gone through the chapter named noun, pronoun, verb and adjective. Okay. And today we will do the revision of all those chapters one by one. We will go through the definition of all those chapters and I will explain you with an example. Okay, let me explain you what is noun. Whatever we can see and feel and have a name is called noun. Okay, like I have told you that subject, verb and object. Noun can be subject and can be object also. Okay, now pronoun is a word which is used in a sentence to stop the repetition of noun. Pronoun is a word which is used to stop the repetition of noun in a sentence to make the language clear and attractive also. Okay, then we go to the chapter named verb. The word which shows doing or being something in a sentence is called verb. The action word you can say it's called verb. Then at last we went to the chapter named adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies or adds something to the noun or pronoun in a sentence is called adjectives. Okay, we have gone through all these chapters. Let me explain you with an example. Here we have example: Champa killed her white cat. In of this sentence you can see that Champa is noun and cat is noun, and over here Champa is subject and over here cat is object. Then over here you can see this is the action word, means what Champa is doing. Champa is killing her cat. Okay, then killed is an action word, it means it is verb. Okay, then we have her over here, and her is what? Her is pronoun. Her is used in the place of any noun, you can say. Champa killed her white. What is white here? White is just adding something to this thing, this noun. Okay, it means it is working as an adjectives. Okay, white is adjective over here. In this sentence you can see Champa is subject, killed is verb, her is pronoun, and white is adjectives, and cat is also a noun but working as an object. Okay, this is one of the best example you can have. Over here I have given you a homework. Write 10 sentences, and in those sentences a noun, pronoun, verb and adjective must be used as in example. So what now you have to do? You have to write 10 sentences. For class 6 to 8 they have to write 10 sentences, and for class 9 they have to write 20 sentences in which they must have one or two noun, one pronoun, then one verb and adjectives. It means they will have to include noun, pronoun, verb and adjective in their one sentence, and they have to write 10, 6 to 8 and 20 for class 9th. Okay, I hope you understand it. Thank you for today. Have a nice time.